So I'm an install system owner, meaning I'm responsible for the installation in the field at the customer site. I am the linking pin between the factory here and the customer site. The most thing I like about my job is the high complexity of the installations and the constantly changing technology in this branch. You can add on top of it that I spent half my time abroad, meaning I see a lot of countries and a lot of nationalities, and getting to know the local cultures is something that I really like and that developed me as a person and benefits ASML as well. Most of my international colleagues have become my friends, so they also get to travel, and we meet most of the time on other places around the world or here in Veldhoven. And that's really what makes it fun, to see the same colleagues all over the world. ASML makes it a special place to work because, again, the multicultural environment, the traveling that you get to do, and the chance to really grow inside the company.